terrifying attack after a gunman approaches a teen and pistol whips him. Welcome into News 2 at 4. I'm Erica Francis.
And I'm Alex Dennis. We are following a crime tracker alert tonight. A 14-year-old boy describes the terrifying moments to News 2. It happened in East Nashville on Maplewood Lane last Friday in East Nashville. As I was saying, News 2's Valencia Wicker spoke with him and brings us the details and a warning. Some of the images that you are about to see are graphic.
One person had jumped out of the car and shoved me in the back.
He remembers the attack step by step.
I turned around to see who it was. He punched me in the jaw.
The 14-year-old is still too shaken up to show his face, but he details the moment he was pistol whipped in the midst of an attempted armed robbery last Friday night. Metro Police say the teen was walking along this street alone around 10:20 p.m.
And I see he's pointing a gun in my face. And I was really scared. So I wasn't sure exactly what to do, but I heard him yelling at me to empty my pockets. His pistol had a flashlight on it, right? And it was in a strobe mode, so I couldn't see.
The high schooler didn't have anything in his pockets, which only made the suspect angry.
He doesn't believe me, so he quickly pats me down in my little jacket pocket here, and he doesn't feel anything. So then he swears at me, and then he just bashes me over the head with his pistol, and then he runs back to the car.
He was left with this bloody wound to his head, a night in the ER, and several stitches to his right brow.
I'm going to definitely have some kind of self-defense with me if I ever go out on my own.
Afraid, but now safe, this young man says he'll never take a night stroll alone again. In Nashville, Valencia Wicker, News 2.
And at this point, Metro Police believe at least 2 people were involved in this crime. They have not yet named a suspect.